Hello everyone, I am Bhargavi Arora from capstone group number 69 and these are my teammates Sahil Mittal and Anirudh Randeva. Dr. Poonam Verma ma'am and Dr. Kishan Dewangan sir are mentoring us with the project. Moving on to the project itself, we are aiming to make an RFID based all-in-one card which when scanned will mark the attendance, show the number of classes attended, hostel and mess attendance, laundry entries, main gate in and out entries, library entries, closed check-in list, and etc. We are aiming to minimize the time utilized in doing all of this and an environmental factor, that is to reduce the use of paperwork. These are the three main components of our project, the hardware. We are using MFRC 522 module for scanning and reading of the RFID cards, and further we will be using ESP 8266 Wi-Fi module to connect the hardware to the internet. It is also very useful to connect the database as well. Moving on to the next part. We have used MySQL database for uploading the data on the web, and further we'll be connecting the hardware and the software to it. And the software part, we have used HTML, CS and JS for the website front end, followed by using SQL and PHP for the backend. Moving on towards hardware, the module 8266 and MFRC 22. These are the connections that we have precisely used, and we would like to show you the working of the work we have done, which will make everything very clear. The first one, here we have punched the card and it will show you all the details that will be shown once the card is punched and the access is given in the search window. Here. Second is, if an unauthorized card is punched into the reading machine, that means if the RFID is not there in the database, the access will be denied and it will be shown right here in the search bar. See, access denied. And here is the authorized user, the one that is there in our database. And the access is authorized. Moving on is the software. In the software description, Khushal, you only need one smart ID card, will be well supported with the online portal that will show the student detail on a successful login. The portal will be integrated with the online database that is connected with the hardware through ESP module. The portal's frontend is designed majorly using HTML and JavaScript and CSS, whereas the backend work will be done using SQL and PHP. Web portal will contain all the data and thereby creating an efficient interface between the student and the administration. This is what our software looks like. We can also provide you the link which you can go through and try to log in yourself. The future aspects of our project. So we know that in today's world, the technology has taken over a lot of things, and with our wallets full of 5 cards, that too when you don't need them at all, need all of them at one moment, we came with the idea of Khushal. We wish to introduce a smart RFID based ID card that could contain information of every card in your pocket in one card. Currently, we are working at a prototype level. but we are aiming to introduce these cards at a corporate level too. Thank you.